Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you step by step on how to download the myetherwallet app in this tutorial. Launch the Play Store on your device first. Tap on the search bar at the top, then type myetherwallet. Then tap on search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Let it download now. But before you do, ensure your internet connection is strong. Tap open once the installation is finished. You can now either log in with the email and password that you signed up with by tapping on Import Existing Wallet, or create a new account by following the instructions by tapping Create a Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.